I asked AI software to generate the ultimate Michelin star fried chicken recipe. This one featured 9 spices and a buttermilk marinade unlike anything you've seen before. Now, I was shocked when AI generated a buttermilk marinade this complex. This dish used ingredients and took influence from different cultural backgrounds with ingredients like lemongrass and more exotic spices like Sichuan peppercorns and Aleppo pepper flakes. I loved how it used fresh grated ginger, turmeric, and galangal root because it took the complexity and the flavor of this dish way over the top. I'm using gloves to mix because turmeric root tends to stain things, FYI. I'm just going to plastic wrap and leave this to marinate overnight. Now on to the dry coating. AI gets bonus points for using a combination between regular flour, rice flour, and cornstarch, which helps to make things super crispy. And then I'm going to add a total of 9 spices which flavored this dish like crazy. I'm just going to coat the chicken by pressing well into that mixture, and then I'm going to fry that off in some hot oil at about 350 degrees according to each size of our chicken. I let the legs and wings go for about 14 minutes, flipping halfway, and then removed once they were dark golden brown in color. This was a sight of beauty, and I was beyond excited to finally dig in. This chicken was tender, crispy, and packed with flavor, and it was one of the best fried chickens I've ever had.